What's up guys? All good? My name is Nora. In this video I will tell you everything you need to know about the one-click manifest before you buy the product. I also have some important warnings for you, so it's extremely important that you watch this video until the end so you don't lose your money. The first point of attention is, be careful with the website where you are going to buy the product, because today this product is only sold on the official website. So to help you, I left the official website link below in the video description and also in the first comment. I'm here in the corner of the screen doing this review to tell you my experience and help you know if the one-click manifest works. Introduction to one-click manifest. Imagine having the ability to manifest your deepest desires with minimal effort. Whether it's wealth, success, love, or better health, one-click manifest taps into the hidden power of your mind to bring these dreams to reality. No complex rituals or hours of meditation required, just one simple system designed to help you align with the energy of the universe. What is one-click manifest? One-click manifest is a revolutionary manifestation system designed to reprogram your subconscious mind for success, using scientifically backed techniques. This cutting-edge method helps you attract what you want into your life faster than ever before. How it works. Manifest your desires in 3 simple steps. One-click activation. Download and access your one-click manifest system, designed to start transforming your reality from the moment you begin. You will instantly feel the shift as you start syncing with your new frequency. Listen and align. Using the specially designed audio tracks and guided affirmations, you'll effortlessly begin reprogramming your subconscious mind. These tools align your brainwaves with your goals, helping you release negative beliefs and create a success-driven mindset. Watch it happen. Start witnessing the changes in your life, money flowing in, opportunities appearing, relationships improving, and health enhancing, all within a few days of starting the program. Why choose one-click manifest? Instant activation. Get results quickly without the hassle of complex practices or long meditations. Scientifically proven techniques, combines brainwave synchronization, subconscious programming, and affirmations to help you manifest your desires faster. Effortless transformation. The program is designed to work for you, even while you sleep, ensuring continuous positive change. For all goals, whether you're seeking wealth, health, love, or success, one-click manifest aligns your mind with your desires. Benefits of one-click manifest. Manifest wealth and abundance. Start attracting money and opportunities effortlessly, regardless of your current situation. Love and relationships. Deepen your existing relationships or attract your ideal partner by reprogramming your beliefs about love. Health and well-being. Achieve optimal health and emotional balance by clearing out limiting beliefs about your body and wellness. Career success. Propel yourself toward professional achievements, promotions, and new ventures. What's included in the one-click manifest package? Guided audio sessions, designed to reprogram your subconscious and align with your desires. Affirmation tracks, powerful affirmations that help you manifest faster. Bonus materials. Get additional resources to boost your results, including a manifestation journal and wealth attraction meditations. Special offer. Limited time offer. Save 50%. Grab your copy of One-Click Manifest today for only $37 instead of the regular price of $74. Click below to start manifesting your dream life today. Call to action. Start manifesting now. Ready to unlock the life of your dreams? Don't wait. Click the button below and start your manifestation journey with One-Click Manifest today. Frequently asked questions. How quickly will I see results? Many users report seeing positive changes within a few days of using One-Click Manifest. The time it takes may vary depending on your specific goals. Do I need any prior experience? No, One-click manifest is designed for beginners and advanced users alike. The system is easy to use and doesn't require any prior knowledge of manifestation techniques. Is there a money-back guarantee? Yes, we offer a 60-day money-back guarantee. If you're not satisfied, you can request a full refund, no questions asked.